All right, we're back. We got some lags. We got a 5.0 and we've got an 8.0. And I've done a lot of testing that I started to record, and I'm not able to tell the difference between this 8 and this 5. And also, this 5 sunk this lag on the Tools with Souls challenge. So there might not be a point in even having an 8, and that's what we're going to check today. Instead of just drilling holes or driving one lag, we're gonna drive multiple lags, see the speed difference, listen to the way the tool is performing, and try to get a gauge on whether or not these batteries here actually do put out more power than these batteries. All of the paperwork says that these are the 21700 cells, and I've seen a couple of teardown videos of this to confirm that, but I'm not seeing a performance gain, and especially at $200 I'm not seeing a performance gain or really even a benefit. So we've got our impact here, and we've got our hammer drill here, and we're going to drive a couple of these lags and see what happens. When this drill slips, and sometimes it does, it rounds off any hex that's on these bits. So this will preserve my bit a little bit longer, and we'll check this one first, and then we'll go to the other drill here. So what we're trying to find out is, are these 8.0 batteries that much better than the 5.0s? Because I haven't noticed a difference yet, and I've put a bunch of holes in a bunch of things, and I haven't been happy with the results of anything I've made so far. So we glued this thing up, and we're going to try to find out. In all of my testing, I really didn't see a big difference. Alright, got the 5.0 fully charged. We're going to go down here, and we're just going to see what's faster. Here we go. That's nice. All right, there we go. Okay, that was that one. Here's the 8. And go. You see what I mean? I'm not noticing a big difference with this 8 versus this 5. Still. All right, we're going to try the 10" by 1/2 inch. See there? Look at that. 10" by 1/2 inch. We're going to start with the 5. And here we go. All right. 5 out, 8 in. Brand new lag again. All right, 8.0. Here we go. Seemed like I might have been a little bit better. We're gonna do it again. This is the 5. Here we go. All right, here comes the 8. All right, so I think I do notice a difference when you use a bigger lag. Seems like anything smaller than 3/8 by 8 inches, it's not even close to pushing this tool to the limit to where you need more than a 5. They seem pretty even, if you ask me. I'm going to drive a 3/8 again with the 8.0. Actually, no, we're not. That's a result. So we're going to go to the drill and see how the drill performs with the 5.0 versus the 8.0. All right, we got the... Just for fun, I'm gonna put this in turbo mode and see what this thing can do with the 3/8. All right, so we're in turbo mode with the 5. We're in turbo mode with the 8.0 on super duper mega high speed. All right, here we go. Wow. All right, let's take it out. All right, let's do it again. That was fun. One more. Here we go. All right, let's see what the 5 can do. Don't touch that one. All right, let's see what the 5 can do. And here we go. In turbo mode, high speed, 5.0. I don't notice that much of a difference. Honestly, the 5.0 comes with the kit. I don't see a huge performance gain to go and spend another $200 on 3 extra amps. This is nothing like the Milwaukees. When a Milwaukee gives you a high output battery, you get a full advantage with that high output. There might be a little bit of marketing involved with this. I think this is BS. All right, let's get a bigger lag in there. And keep in mind, that's turbo mode. That's the fastest, lowest torque setting this drill has. I couldn't put this in a weaker mode. And we're driving these faster than fast. So, yeah, keep that in mind. Let's see if we can drive this in high speed with no turbo on the 5. Here we go. Nope, can't do it. Let's see if we can finish it with the 8. No. Okay. We're going to put it in low speed and finish driving this with the 5. Okay, let's do another one. All right, low speed again, all the way with the 5.0. All right, low speed with the 8. Here we go. All right. Here we go, 8.0. Here we go. Well, we'll have to see what the results are from editing, but I feel like the 8 does show more power when you're doing very extreme tasks. Hey, you want to see the internet go crazy? Go get the Milwaukee with the HO. All right. Let's see what Milwaukee can do at high speed. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! I have to use speed too. Oh, hang on. The chuck was on. Who would have thunk? Alright, for real, you guys ready? Here we go. It's gonna piss off everybody. Alright, here we go. Alright, so what's the takeaway? That drill has enough power to do extreme tasks with the 5. So every day, regular jobs, you do not need this 8. You're only going to have this for capacity purposes. What you're doing every day, an 8 is not going to serve you any differently than this 5. Now what I did see is that the 2.5 was drastically weaker, and the 5.0 is good all around. Yeah, let me know what you think.
Sorry, I couldn't resist.
Below.
We'll do a Milwaukee video
Thanks
here
for
pretty
watching.
soon.